rolling.
Rolling?
How to use a can opener.
How to use a can opener. Okay, so
Show the can opener.
I don't even know how to explain this.
Okay.
Okay, apparently we're learning how to use a can opener today. Oh, it's recording?
Yes, it's recording.
Okay,
Don't say apparently. Reset.
No, that's fine. Okay, so how to open this can. We have a can opener here. We can, actually there's a blade and I guess some sort of gears. We're gonna put it on the side. We're gonna grip it until we hear a sound kind of release of air, and we're gonna make sure we hold the plastic grips tight and we're gonna rotate. So, you hear that? And then we're gonna keep rotating. Make sure you hold it tight, otherwise sometimes it slips and then we're unable to open the can completely and it becomes more of a disaster. There you go, we're almost to the end. Okay, ta-da! I think I keep saying ta-da every time. There you go, just be careful. I'm gonna lift this up. Okay, here we have a can of tomatoes. What I wanna do is take this immersion blender or blender stick. There's two parts to this. I'm gonna put them together like this. As you see, there is a safety option here. So you have to press that and then hold high or low. So I'm gonna hold that and then press high or low. Okay, so to blend the tomatoes, to prevent the tomatoes to be everywhere, we're gonna stick the wand or the blade down. I'm gonna blend a little bit at a time. So again, you gotta hold the top button and then release it, and it's gonna good?
Yep.
Let me just do it again.
On.
So I'm blending. I want to make sure the blade and everything is immersed before
Immersed.
Okay, I want to make sure the blade is immersed before I turn it on. Otherwise, it's going to be everywhere. And when I'm taking it out, I want to make sure I let go and then take it out. Otherwise, you're going to have tomato sauce or whatever everywhere. So again, so just before we turn it on, I want to make sure this is immersed.
Immersed.
Before we turn it on, I want to make sure this one is immersed. Before I turn it on, I want to make sure this is immersed. Am I saying it right? This is why you do it. I can't speak.
Just say. Just.
Wait, before I turn it on, I'll make sure this one is inside the tomatoes. And then when I'm taking it out, I want to make sure this is off so that I don't get tomato sauce or anything else everywhere. I don't know why Miss Bruno's laughing at me. This is why I don't do this. Rolling. Just to remove this, when we have to wash it, you're just gonna press this button and then pull. We can just rinse this with soapy water and then clean water and then sanitize.